What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw and color blue from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start on the top left. I'm going to bring that circle all the way down toward the bottom and then pull that back up towards the top. Then leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So we want to line up the top of that circle on the right side, bring this in and down toward the same height, and pull that back up towards the top. Let's trace the inside of the left eye with a smaller circle, but we're going to leave a gap on the top left. So starting on the side, going all the way around, just leaving an even spaced gap, and pull that down. And then we'll add a notch inside that gap. Start by coming straight in, and up in an angle, and then we'll fill the inside of the eye. Now let's switch to a thinner marker and trace the inside of the right eye. Starting from the very top, going all the way around, towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's add that X inside the right eye. Starting on the left side, start with a straight angle line coming across, step up and draw that twice. Now you want to round up the ends, and then fill in the center. Let's add another one coming down in the opposite direction. So we'll start on the top right, come across, step down, going up, let's round up the ends, and we'll fill in the center. Now with the eyes in place, let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start underneath the left eye, start by curving this down towards the middle, and we'll bend that back up. Let's go back over towards the left side, curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down. I'm just going to pull that in towards the middle. Let's go up to the top right. Just going to curve this down and in with a short line. And we'll add the top edge of the drool. Starting down here, curve this up and out. Bend this up, and then back down towards the right side of the mouth. Now let's add in the drips. Starting from this point, come down, go across and bend that up, round this out, bend this down and up towards the right side. Now we're going to layer the tongue inside the mouth. Let's start over on the left, start by going up towards the middle, and bend that down to add a fold. Now we're going to step back up, curve this up, and then down in behind the drool, and it'll fill the inside of the mouth along the top. Now that we have the face, let's move up to the top left side of the head and add in the crown. We're going to line up with the outside edge of the eye, step up. Let's start with a point. I'm going to curve the crown, going across, and then bend that up toward the top of the head. Let's flatten off the side of the crown. Starting on the left side, angle this up and out with a straight line. Now I'm going to go to the top, angle this up and out with that same length line, and we'll pull this down and in. Let's add one more point in the center, going up toward the middle, then angle this back down. Let's add a thick edge along the top. Starting from this point, angle this up and in with a short line. Now I'm going to follow this line coming back in toward that center point. Now you want to show that the crown wraps around, so we're going to add two more points inside these gaps, going up and then down, like an upside down V. Now that we have the crown, let's draw on the outside of the head. Starting from the bottom corner, just going to curve the head going around the eye and mouth. I'm just going to bend this in, just going to leave a gap along the chin. Let's go up to that top point, work our way around the right side. Going around, come down, and just bend that in. Now the design of the body is quite simple. Let's start with the arm on the left. We're going to start underneath the head on the left side, curve the arm going out, and then just pull that in toward the hand. Round up the hand, going up and out. And then we'll bend the arm coming back up towards the armpit. Now let's move over and draw the right arm raised up. So on the side of the head, we're going to go out and up along the side of the head. Let's round out the hand with a half circle. Now pull the arm coming back in towards the side of the body. Come down, and then bend that in. Now let's rotate the body over towards the right side. So the body's going to sit on top of the arm. So we'll step up, bend this out, round out the body, come down and in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go underneath the left arm, bend this down, and then out towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting over on the left, coming down, then up, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now before we draw the inside of the leg, let's close out the bottom of the body. So right about here, step over towards the left, going out, and then bend that up. Now from the inside of the left leg, we're just going to tuck this up underneath the body with a curve. Let's go to the inside of the right leg, round this out, and go up underneath the body. And now we're going to grab some markers and I'll show you how to color this in. Let's start by filling the front of the crown with this bright yellow. And using our brown, we're going to fill in that trim and the back side of the crown. Now from here we're going to add some highlights across the top edge of the body. Let's start from the top of the head, this light blue just going across. And just taper this down towards the side of the head, and it will fill the inside. Let's do the same thing on top of the left arm, just tapering down towards the bottom. And filling in the outside. Go across the right arm toward the top. And the side edge of the body coming all the way down towards the bottom of the foot. Bending that out. And we'll fill that in. Now we're going to grab our dark blue and fill in the rest of the head and body, going around the eyes. And also working our way around that highlight. And grab our light blue and add a little bit of a color and hue to the bottom of that jewel. And we'll fill the inside of the tongue with this red. Now I want to add some shadows to the left side of the head and body. So using this dark blue along the side, just working our way along the bottom of the head. And the inside of the leg. And using our light gray, we're just going to add a little bit of shadow across the right eye. Just adding a shadow across the left side of the crown. And then we'll finish this off by signing our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color blue from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.